full stop. Output. Oh, I have not consulted. So here you can just say factorial, full stop. Sorry, fact is there. Its name of file is fact. Now, if I run the command, then it will work. Factorial 3 comma f. Or there is again, if you don't want to write this one, then there is a consult. So after getting consult, you can go to fact and open it, and then you can just mention factorial 3 comma f. Okay. Then Fibonacci is also there. Fibonacci. Okay, Fibonacci is not there. One more loop. Loop I will just explain. So how to use loop? So loop 0. That means if loop is 0, then stop. Otherwise, loop of n is if n is greater than 0, write value of n, then write. So print. So in C we are using printf. Here we are using write. Okay. Value of n is write n, then new line nl comma. Wherever comma comes, that means whatever, if these all thing is true, then only it will, this loop n will be true. X is n minus 1 loop of x. Okay. So how to run this? We'll just go to command file consult, and then I will just say, I will click loop, open it. Okay. And then I will say loop of 7, full stop. So 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So everything is clauses. Just you have to give the name, any name. So here in Prolog, we don't have keywords like in C language. Okay. Whatever you write, that will be your fact. Okay. So this is, then you can ask students to do. So I want to show one more thing, that is here sum, that is just similar to addition, sum 2. So it will take sum of integers from 1 to n, and sum to 1 comma 1. If it is a single element, then only 1, that is 1, n comma m, then n is greater than m, n1 is n minus 1, sum to n1 comma m1. So again here recursion comes. Okay. Then unification, I have to explain the concept of unification, very important concept in Prolog. Are you all with me, or I am going fast? Hello? Hello?
No, ma'am, it's fine. Just a request if you could share
Yes,
the
yes.
sample
I will.
codes
I
as
will
well.
share entire thing. Whatever programs I did, I will share all the things with you. So you can go through. I wanted to tell one more topic: unification. So now unification is what? It's a matching. So if we know that if 10 is there, number 10, and if you are saying 10 equals to 10, that means it is matching. Okay. So x equals to y, true if they unify, otherwise false. So answer true you will get if they unify, that means if they match. You can see I have tried this, police equals to police, that means both are same. So police is just a constant term, police equals to pen, so these are two different constants, so it will show false. 686 equals to 686, true. Then that means it should be match. So yeah, x equals to y. Here x equals to y. Okay, y equals to 10. If I am saying, that means x equals to also 10. Okay, x and y are permitted to be uninstantiated variables. Uninstantiated means when you can say x equals to y, if it is not instantiated, that means you have not given any value to x. One, if now x equals to y is true, but if I am giving y equals to 10, that means now x is also 10. Okay, integer and atoms are always equal to themselves. These are integers and these are atoms. Okay, so if it is in string, then we can call it as a atom. Two structures are equal only if same functions. Okay, so here you can see there is function a and right side also same function. Okay, now b comma c, b c d and e, these all are constant. Capital, wherever I have used capital, that is variable. That means this x is instantiated with b, that is x equals to b, and this y equals to d. Okay, same functions, number of components should be same. So unification is nothing but we have to match right hand side and left hand side. So that is called unification. So river xyz equals to river abc, that means x equals to a, y equals to b, z equals to c. Letter c equals to word letter. So this function, this predicate and this predicate is different. So it is not unified. So it is, we cannot unify this. Here equal, here of now equals to now. So this is only variable, sorry, constant, and here function is there. Student equals to student. So this is string and this is atom. So it is unifiable. F of x comma x equals to f of a comma b. So function name is same, but this particular x instantiated with a and x equals to instantiated with b. So x cannot have two different values. Okay, so f of x comma a, b comma c equals to f of z comma a of z comma c. So this x equals to z. Okay, this particular x equals to z, and this z equals to b. This particular z equals to b. That means x equals to b finally. So this is a unification. Then in Prolog, backtracking happens. Okay, now if I fire the query for this particular code, I will get answer true. Okay, now how it happens, how Prolog works? So it first visit to p of 1. Okay, then p of 1 is a of 1. Can you see here a of 1? Then it will go to c of 1. C of 1 has two things, two rules, that is either d of 1 or d of 2. So C of 1, left side of these particular two rules is same. So d of 1 or d of 2. So that's what there is a tree. So Prolog may whatever we write as a rules or facts, it converts it into the tree. So P of 1, A of 1, C of 1. C of 1 has two branches, D1 and D2. And then P of 1. So here P of 1, A of 1 is there. Again, if you go to next line, P of 1 is B of 1. That means P of 1, it has two branches, A of 1 or B of 1. Okay. And whenever a Prolog is there, and if you want answer for query, it uses depth first search. That is DFS. So it goes to depth and then it backtracks, and then it comes to the conclusion. I will show this example with SWI Prolog, so you can trace your code. So here I have written proof. Okay, proof 1. So I will just show file. So same code I have written here. P of 1, A of 1, P of 1, B of 1, then A of 1, So you can see here P of 1, whatever you are writing in left hand side, if it is unique, so that will come in red color in SWI Prolog, whatever I am using. Otherwise, right hand side, if you are writing, that will not change. That color will be black only, but it will be bold. So left hand side is always bold, and right hand side is always there is it is not in bold letter. Okay, so if you write P of 1, sorry, I did not consult, so I will just do file consult and then proof 1. Then I will say P of 1, full stop. I got answer. How you got this particular answer? You can trace it. I am saying trace. Okay, then you can say P of 1. Okay, then full stop. Sorry, trace, full stop, and then I have written P of 1. So sorry, you can use abort if it's wrong. Abort and full stop, and trace is working now. P of 1, full stop, and then press enter. So P of 1, it calls P of 1. Now P of 1 has got A of 1. So here tree is also there. I will show tree also simultaneously. So P of 1, then it went to A of 1, then C of 1. Can you see here this one? It will depth first, sir. It uses DFS of data structure. Then D of 1.
Ma'am, to trace you are hitting
Yeah.
enter, right?
For trace, we
For
have to
tracing you are hitting enter,
we
na?
have to hit enter. Then fail. So D of 1, it came here and it did not got the output. Okay. Then again you enter. It will redo. That means it will backtrack. That means backtracking started from this particular stage. Okay, then again D of 2. Okay, again it will come back D of 2, then C of 1, then again it will go to A of 1, then it will go to P of 1, and again next right hand side of tree, then B of 1, then E of 1, then D of 3. Okay, and then it will stop. Again it will backtrack this way, and again it will show this one P of 1, and it will okay, it got the root. So backtracking happens in Prolog. Okay, so this is about one more program is there that I wanted to show, Tower of Hanoi. You can take Tower of Hanoi in practical session. So everyone know, I think so, Tower of Hanoi, how to do. So move 1 comma x comma y, move if it is single disk, then move top disk from right x, right 2, right y, if only single disk is there. Okay, if there are number of disks, then we have to use recursion. Okay, mx z y, first you, if your it is at left side, then you have to move it in middle topmost, and then next topmost in third, and so on. So, and that you must be knowing. So how it works? So this trace, how to stop trace? No trace you have to do, and full stop. So it will ask me for debug also. So I will say no debug, full stop, and then I will just consult to this particular file, that is towers file consult towers. Okay, and then I will say move